Good morning everyone. Today I would like to say few lines on why I need mother or why mother is important in my life. I need mother because my mother is the precious gift from God, and without her my life would be dark and boring. She was the one who brought me down to earth and hold me every day and said I love you. My day begins with her voice. She prepares food for me. She drops me to school, and when I come back home, she welcomes me with an open arms and smile. She serves us food, washes our clothes, keeps our room in order, and helps in my studies. She is always with me in times of happiness and sadness. She supports me for my goal. She is the most important person in my life. In fact, that even if many times I disobey her, she always makes me feel that I'm the best gift she ever received from God. If I would have a chance to be born again, I would have chosen to be again her child. Dear Mom, I'm thankful for all that you taught me, and I'm blessed to call you Mother. Finally, I wish all the mothers a very blessed and happy Mother's Day.
One of the special gifts that I have received is my mom. A mom so loving, kind, faithful, and devoted. A mom so beautiful and wonderful. All that I am today is because of her selfless love, selfless care, and selfless act. It is her that brings joy to the family. She is there when I face hardships and sorrows. Her tireless effort in imparting knowledge and wisdom so that I become someone, educating me with moral virtues, guiding me with what's appropriate, for what purpose or for what occasion, guiding me with what behavior and conduct that I should possess, providing me with everything that I need, acknowledging me in all the little things that I accomplish, accepting me the way I am, never giving up on me even though I let her down, her forgiving nature even for my wrong actions, her continuous prayer, love, tender care, kindness, and guidance is why I need my mother.
I need my mother to take care of me, to teach me cooking and gardening, to help me with my homework, to play with me, to let me watch YouTube in her phone.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. On this special day, I am going to share a few words on why I need my mother. As God could not be present everywhere, He created mothers to make up this loss. Everywhere in our life, a mother's role is supreme. She is my first teacher, first guide, and first friend. The reason why I need my mother is uncountable. She is very hardworking and she is always there to support us in all the PTMs. School activities. My mother is a great cook and I need her to prepare different dishes for me. She is always there to help me as well as my brothers in our studies, and she makes sure we get A's. I need her to protect me, help me when I'm in doubt, and support me in all walks of my life. And whenever I am feeling low, she is always there to help me out and comfort me. Whenever I am bored, she is there to play different board games with me. She has taught me to be confident and believe in myself. I need her to help me in every stage of my life. Her love is unconditional. To conclude, no matter what your age is, you will always need your mom. Thank you, Mommy, for everything you have done for us, for laughing with us in the best of times and sticking with us through the worst of times, and for putting up us when we are troubled and you mess up the house. We love you so much and feel blessed to have you. Happy Mother.
She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the days to come. She speaks wisdom and faithful instruction is on her tongue. A mother is the pilot of her child. She is an angel, her tender and loving care and nurturing her child until they grow older. Her love is real, pure, and genuine, and her feeling flows within. She prays earnestly and unceasingly, and reminding her children of God's love to seek God first and fear Him. She is always ready to provide help and support her family. She corrects and teaches her child the right way to become a better person. Her faith can move a mountain. We cannot underestimate the power of a mother's love. Wishing all the beautiful mothers a very happy Mother's Day. May God bless all the lovely moms.